Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to answer the question, do I get 4G LTE on my UMIDIGI F1? But before I give you that answer, check this out. Okay everyone, so I've been getting a lot of questions. Do you get LTE in the US with the UMIDIGI F1? Hopefully after this video we can answer that question. But the confusing part, I see a lot of YouTubers mentioning this too, is when you get the phone, you look up there on the top right, it only says 4G. My understanding is that some companies don't recognize LTE. I'm going to show you a couple things in this video that actually show you that you do get 4G LTE on T-Mobile, and it should be with also Metro with T-Mobile. Also AT&T, and I would say Cricket too. Here are the bands that you get from their website. It has all the LTE bands that you need, except for like the new ones from T-Mobile. But these are the bands that you're looking for when you want to buy a phone, especially one overseas. There's also an app that will show you what type of signal you get, also LTE. Let me bring that up really quick. As you can tell on the top right, it also does have HD. So I'm getting HD calls, but let me bring up this app. It's called LTE Discovery. Right here, you can see that I'm on band number 2. You can tell you the signal strength. Down here, it will also tell you that you're on T-Mobile LTE network and voice network 2. The great thing about this one, it shows you what current network that you're on. Now, I was wondering if will it just say LTE for every phone, even if you know you don't get LTE speeds, and that answer is no, it will not. Actually, I have some proof. I have the UMIDIGI Crystal. Yes, it looks like a Essential phone, but I know it doesn't have LTE, and I'm going to show you why. Look, bam, it shows that I'm on edge. Even if I start it over, says it's connecting, wait for it, still on edge. If I even go to signals and I go up, see, I'm not on any type of bands over there. I'm on edge. If you scroll down a little bit, it says T-Mobile and edge, not LTE. So yes, even though that says 4G, it looks like it does have little arrows coming up and down from it. I know that this phone is getting LTE bands on T-Mobile. Should be the same thing with AT&T and also Cricket and Metro by T-Mobile too. Check out the download speeds and the upload speeds I was getting around my house and also just outside my house. These speeds are pretty good. Look, one of them was 42 and 33 something upload. The other ones were like 16 upload with 30 something download. That's actually pretty good speeds. So hopefully I was able to answer the question. Yes, you do get LTE on the UMIDIGI F1 phone. If you have this phone, let me know what you're getting down in the comments below. What speeds are you getting? If you want to pick up the phone, I will have a link in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on this UMIDIGI F1. Follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.